Hello everyone, we've just checked into Secrets Impression Moxche, Hyatt's newest and most popular all-inclusive adults-only resort. So we're going to show you our room here. We just checked in. It is, every room here is almost 1,000 square feet for the smallest size. So it's pretty impressive. It's an all-suite resort. Secrets Impression Moxche is actually its own building with its own amenities and benefits at the larger Secrets Moxche resort. So Impressions guests get access to the entire resort. So you definitely want to book Impressions if you come here. So we're going to show you the Impressions room that we got. So first, they gave us this welcome amenity here. We've got a bottle of champagne. We've got apples. I think apples kind of like their thing. Most impressively here, what I love that I haven't seen at other bars at all-inclusives is I was able to fill out a form ahead of time for what we wanted. We've got all included here, not only my favorite Nespresso, which I also have at home, but Pellegrino, Evian, more complimentary bottles here of wine, red and white, and then the best, they filled it exactly with what we wanted, beer, Diet Coke, mineral water, and then bottles of water. So absolutely love that. But one thing I wasn't expecting, I booked with Hyatt points here for the base room, is that we did get a complimentary upgrade to this amazing swim up suite. And I will say that this is a tropical view swim up because I've had some swim up suites before, but the size of this pool is pretty impressive. So let's check it out. You've got all of this patio space here. It's a covered balcony, but then look at the size of this swim up pool. So Impressions and Moxche is known to be an extremely popular pool resort. I think there's something like 12 pools included if you're at Impressions here. Huge pools, but I guess you can add another one for ours. So we'll definitely be spending some time here in this really impressive, huge swim up pool there. The water temperature is perfect. It is the end of May, so I think that's kind of a perfect time here yet at this time in Mexico. So let's keep looking a little bit more. So we got our ceiling fan. We feel like it's very cool in here. That's really important to me whenever I stay at these resorts. You've got your tablet here. Your tablet's got everything. The restaurants, the restaurant hours, the shows, the activities. You want to order room service, etc. By the way, Impressions rooms all come with a butler, so the butlers can do all kinds of things for you. Take your laundry, book you some restaurant reservations. One thing that's even funny is they can fill up this huge bathtub in the bathroom here, which I think I can do myself, but some people do have them fill up so that way whenever they come back from dinner, something that's all set. Look at this massive bathtub. So you also have this rain shower here, which is impressive too. So look at that, pretty impressive. Shower plus bathtub combo. Very great products. I'm pretty sure these products are the same ones they have at the Park Hyatt. So that shows you that this is one of their higher end brands. You got the toilet room and then double sinks because who wants to wait for their partner to also get it ready, you know? I mentioned laundry, so you do have, every room comes with these amazing robes. Gonna use those probably out at the own private swim up pool, you know. You got a steamer, you got the laundry bag because guess what? Laundry is included for Impressions guests. So we don't check bags, we did carry on, so we're here 7 nights. How perfect is that? So pretty impressed. We've stayed at a lot of Secrets resorts over the years, but I mean, this is the base level room, you know, not including the pool. That was an upgrade, but all the other rooms do have a large bathtub on their balcony. So, you know, I'll take the swim up suite, so a little bigger, but you know, this is the base level room, so you can only go higher from here. So check out this amazing new resort. Really looking forward to our week, and hope that you liked our checking in.